Funny Bunny Part 3. Okay, kindergarten, so here's another way you might want to think about adding things together. I found one Easter egg in my mailbox, 2 under my deck, 3 by the tree, 2 by the fence, 1 by the car. And I also found, strangely, I found 1 underneath my kitchen table inside the house. So I'm not quite sure how that happened. But anyway, that means I've got all 10 now, because remember I found 9 and 1 more in my house. That makes 10. Now let's see what happens when we add all these together. So 1 from the kitchen and 1 from the mailbox and 2 under the deck. See, I'm joining them all together. There's getting more and more. And oh, this is going to be a nice long one. 3. Those are the ones by the tree. It's getting quite long, isn't it? I think I found 1 by the car and 2 by the fence. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now there's another way we could do that. When we were writing our equation, we wrote, well, we didn't have the number 1 on there, but we did write this way. We went 1, and then we wrote the 2, and then we wrote the 3, and then we wrote another 1, and then we wrote 2. I think we wrote it that way, didn't we? Yeah. So that would be, if we wanted to write an equation for this, it would be 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. Or we could write it another way. We'll hang this equation on the wall. Right here, where we can see it. Maybe down a bit. And now the next one. Let's see. We can do, put these back. I found 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 1. Let's join them together another way. Let's say we found these first. We could go 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Oh, 1 plus 1 plus 2. Yeah, that's another way we could write our equation. Let's hang that up on the wall. Okay, next we can do another one. Fence, 2 under the deck. We had 1 in the, oh, was this the other way around? 1 in the mailbox, 3 by the tree. Okay. So let's say this time we do it another way. We do 1 and 1 and, oops, 1, and then we add on all our 2s, so 2 and 2, and then we'll put our 3 on the end. So that's another way we could do it. So whichever way we add them together, there's still the same amount. Let's put these on the wall. So you can see there's all these different ways of joining together those amounts, but they'll always still add up to 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you could say that 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 10. Or you could say that 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 10. Or you could say 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 is 10. Now, can you find me some other ways of making 10?
Miss Andrew, that is a funny bunny, which doesn't have the right shaped ears or tail. That is a very funny bunny.
Can you see where the colours are joined together? We can put, those 2 colours are the same, those 2 colours are the same, and those 3 colours are the same. So this is 1, this is a 1 orange one, 2 purple ones, 2 green ones, and 3 red ones. And they are all joined together. So we can put a plus sign, because that's what happens when things are plussed together. They're joined. There, see? They're joined together. That's a little plus sign. And that's joined together. It's a little plus sign. So our equation is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. Should we try writing another one? Here's 3. And their plus 3 is plussed together right there with 2. And then 2 is plussed together right there with 1 orange one. And that orange one is plussed together with 1 yellow one, which is joined together or plussed to 1 blue one and joined together. The little plus sign shows it being joined together with 2 purple ones. You can see here why they decided to make a plus sign look like this, because it's kind of how 2 things join together, like that. It's like 2 links together. If you think of a plus sign as this and this joined together. Plussing means joining together. Yeah, adding, joining, plussing. Yeah. Let's try and write another equation. What do you think we'll have? I joined 3 1s together to make a 3. So I plussed them together, and you can see it's a little bit like a plus sign, the way these 2 kind of cross over. So that's 3 1s all plussed together to make 3. And then here I did 4 1s all plussed together to make 4. And here I did another 3 all plussed together to make 3. Because this is another way of making 10. So you could have 3 plus 4 plus 3. And that would be another way of making 10. Okay, ready? Should we count just to make sure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, now we've got those, we can do our 3 is plussed together with our 4. So here's 3 plus together with 4 plus 3. We know that 3 plus 4 plus 3 is the same as having 10. And that's another thing that equal sign means. It means, equals means, watch out, here comes the answer. It also means equals is equal to or is the same as having. Like if you've got 3 and 4 and 3 joined together, that's the same as having 10. So equals can mean the same as having 10. The end.